Show the parts to be installed. The instrument includes 2 spare fuses that can be used to replace the fuse inside the instrument in case of breakage. Use a screwdriver to gently pry open the fuse holder, and then replace the broken fuse with one of the spare fuses. Install the accessory holder. Install the face handle. Install the body handle. Put all the installed handles into the corresponding accessory holder in turn. After all parts are installed, turn on the instrument. Choose the required function from the options. Rejuvenation, solution, soothing, and individual. Turn off the instrument and unplug the power cable.
Use makeup remover to cleanse the face of dirt, oil, and makeup. Cleanse the face using a facial cleanser, and then evenly apply toner. Choose rejuvenation. Duration, 12 minutes. Operating frequency, 0.3 MHz. Applicator, face. Apply some facial serum to the treatment area and spread it evenly. Move the applicator in circular motions on the 3 areas of the face. Move it upward on the chin, from the middle of the face to the side on the cheeks, and upward to the hairline on the forehead. Move the applicator on the 3 areas of the face. Move it upward on the chin, from the middle of the face to the side on the cheeks, and upward to the hairline on the forehead. Repeat on the other side. Apply a mask to the face. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner, essence, eye cream, and facial cream. It is recommended to have 1 to 2 sessions per week, and a complete course of treatment includes 12 sessions. Contraindications: pregnant or lactating women, individuals with heart disease or pacemaker, those with unhealed surgical wounds or in the recovery period, individuals with epilepsy, severe diabetes, hyperthyroidism, or malignant tumors, people with skin disease or infectious disease.